when you go into 2021,
rise just like a phoenix.
have absolute clarity on what you want.
Where you over-deliver value is focus on one thing.
And when you go into 2021, have absolute clarity on what you want personally and professionally.
Make sure that your communication skills are up to speed.
Key is to play bigger, have clear goals, work on those capabilities.
Start taking some of those habits, like asking what's next.
Build something solid that can actually serve an audience.
2021, the best year of your life, is to rise just like a phoenix.
Where you over-deliver value and money will be the byproduct of you delivering value to the marketplace.
Don't worry about whether you're doing the right thing or not. If you're doing it, it's the right thing.
And not getting stuck in the old way of things.
Make 2020 count in 2021.
For 2021, to make it your best year ever, get absolute clarity on what is it you want for 2021. Yes, for some people, 2020 is a write-off. Let's let it go, let's wash it away. But 2021 could be your best year ever. If you had taken the time, and you can still do that in the next few weeks, to study what you need to study, know what you need to know, learn it, and apply it. And when you go into 2021, have absolute clarity on what you want personally and professionally, and also get ready to focus on that. Now, the thing is that you could have clarity, you could think you have focus, but if you're not moving forward, this is a time that you must say, what help do I need? What support do I need? And don't be afraid to ask for support and ask for help so you can actually make that year 2021 your best year ever.
And I believe if you're going to rise above all the other chaos that's going on, there's a couple of things I would tell you. If you want 2021 to be the best year ever, seek the truth. The amount of bad information, misinformation, propaganda information out there is rampant. Seek the truth, whatever way you do that for yourself. Seek good education, because now more than ever, those people that have that education will be the leaders. That's number one. Number two, learn how to communicate. Make sure that your communication skills are up to speed, because when people's emotions go up, their intelligence goes down. And that's why the third thing is become a great leader, teacher, and leader. Learn how to learn those particular skills. I think that if you're watching this and you work with Saran and Success Gyan, I can tell you that you're probably already doing that. And to keep in mind in 2021, these words, you have been preparing yourself your entire life for these times. We all have. You've been preparing. It may not seem like, well, I'm not sure what to do. Don't worry about that. You'll know what to do. The slogan that I came up with for me in 2021 kind of goes like this. And that is, don't worry about whether you're doing the right thing. Because if you're doing, whatever you're doing, it is the right thing, because that's what you're supposed to be doing. I'll say it again. Don't worry about whether you're doing the right thing or not. If you're doing it, it's the right thing, because that's what you're supposed to be doing at the moment. Watching yourself moment to moment, observing yourself, observing your own emotions, observing how you respond, and not being the emotion, but watching how you respond to what goes on around you will allow you to be conscious, peaceful, and calm.
The best way to make 2021 the best year of your life would be to know that the only way from here is going forward, it's going up, it's rising higher. So the key is to play bigger, have clear goals, work on those capabilities so that you can rise higher.
So if you want to make 2021 your best year ever, you got to start thinking slightly differently from what you've thought before. Nature has jolted us, and it's making us think about alternate ways to live life, to run a business. And what I would want you to focus on in the next year is focus on one thing. Build something solid that can actually serve an audience. Be a problem solver and think in terms of building ecosystems, because just doing the traditional form of business is the past, and the future is to build communities, is to build ecosystems where you can attract customers for life, where you over deliver value and money will be the byproduct of you delivering value to the marketplace. So that's my suggestion for you for 2021.
Well, I'm going to give you an acronym. The word thrive. And thrive for me stands for true habits represent an individual's values and experience. True habits represent an individual's values and experience, meaning a true habit is a habit that you've done so much, that you've ingrained so deeply, it becomes unconscious, subconscious. You don't even have to think about it. See, a regular habit is one that you're trying to develop. So if you truly want to take and rise up and be able to thrive throughout this next year, start taking some of those habits, like asking what's next, and not getting stuck in the old way of things. Because, ladies and gentlemen, the world has traveled, or the world has changed.
I think for a lot of people, 2021 will be a very different year. And how can you make sure that 2021 is the best year of your life? Because think about it, 2020 has been a year which has shaken each and every one of us. And that happens when any drastic change comes into our life. So now it's time to rise. It's time to rise like a phoenix, to come out from where you're at right now, come out from the ashes and make 2020 count. So the best way you can make 2021 the best year of your life is to rise just like a phoenix. Make 2020 count in 2021.